I'm Adrian. I work for the Western Virginia Water Authority as a grounds maintenance worker. This is more like hands-on instead of just a video and just showing us what we should be doing and stuff like that. This is actually like training, so you can actually get a feel for what's going on.
Hi, my name is Joy Carey. I work for the Western Virginia Water Authority. I am a groundwater operator. What I do, sometimes the floor is wet all the time sometimes. And when we do repairs, it's water everywhere, and sometimes it's bleach, and the bleach can be really slippery.
Well, one, it's interactive. Instead of just watching the DVD on a projector.
Gotcha.
I literally fell asleep the other day watching a video, a 20-minute video, and this definitely kept me interested.
I should have caught that.